Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and Merry Christmas. And I'm saying that because today is the Wildwood Christmas Parade and Festival at Byrne Plaza. And I figured we'll go ahead and take you guys around. It's funny because I literally missed the parade by like 5 minutes. I was running a little bit late, but I got to see some of the floats as they were kind of driving away. And I figured we'll take you guys around the park, give you a little tour. They've got some games, they've got some rides, they've got performances. Actually, I think they're giving out trophies right now. And so join me. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, you give this video a thumbs up. This is like the first cold night of the year, and poor Julie over here is like freezing. So let's go ahead, guys, and get started. Be sure to grab your Wildwoods Christmas ornament before we sell out. We currently have 6 of them in stock. You can get them by clicking in the link in the description of this video. And the new one for this year, it is Santa riding the Great White. So if you want one, go ahead and grab them while they're still here. You can see things are happening over here. It's really cold out. But I figure we'll walk in here for a little bit. They've got some vendors. I don't know who's going down the fun slide, I'll be honest with you. It's a little cold for the fun slide. But we'll walk around for a little bit and try not to freeze.
Oh my gosh.
It really is cold.
My eyeballs are frozen.
The first really cold day of the year.
Oh, yeah,
To give you guys,
right there.
trophies are on stage right now. It's funny because this kind of reminds me of the Saturday markets here. So it's kind of cool to see it like this, but it's nighttime and cold. Start over here at Wildwood where they got ornaments. Good things to check out. Here's actually the different kinds you can get. I like this one right here. Of course, a tram car. We're gonna make our way down and around like a horseshoe. Got some awesome reefs here. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good, doing good. It's cold out. Some baked goods. Look at these bums. Good. How you doing today?
Where's our buddy Sippy? Anybody from Sippy's here?
Gonna make our way around for a bit. They're all getting together for the awards.
That's overall.
You guys can hear them in the background. Got some light up stuff, light up toys.
Great job, as always.
Excuse me, the cat came off on me.
Everyone's lined up over here for the awards. Oh my gosh! Wait a minute, I gotta see this float down here. It's the, do you see it, Jewel? The big flamingo, someone recreated it. I don't know if you guys could see this on the camera. Oh, there's a Grinch. The Grinch made his way over. But look at the pink flamingo. This is cool.
He's at the house.
This is neat. No, you're good. You're good.
Most traditional.
This is so cool. Now this looks like it's a. I hope you like my stuff. This is a Surrey that they made into the sites here. This is so cool.
Wow, look at that cat.
Yeah.
I've seen you on TikTok, sir.
I hope you like my stuff, Grinch.
Yeah, I've seen your personal page. I see what you do down here. It's awesome.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
I love it.
We got a compliment from the Grinch, guys.
You
You can see the awards right now. The award ceremony going on right now. You see the awards right here.
Commercial division is C Point. Come on up.
Definitely is a very, very cold night. But the awards look really awesome. I'm told we have the on the other side.
Now on to the
Let's see if we can see it on the
Fire
camera.
Company division.
It's hard to see. I'll have to get over to the other side. I'll show you. So while over here, you've got the big flamingo. On the other side, you've got the sightseer. So both variations of the PT boats, which, you know, very historic down here between Sims or whatever one you grew up on. I mean, to me, it was always sightseer. So I'm going to go check out the other one real quick. And here it is, the sightseer. And my favorite is that, as you know, they had all the characters on it. And this one has it as well. Of course, at the very front, yeah, that's right, a seahorse. And then if you're a Neptune was on top. And this one put Neptune on top as well, but it's the Grinch as a Neptune. Oh my gosh, that is quite clever. Very clever. I zoom out for a second. So cool.
Here's Underdog. Here she
Honestly,
is.
this turned out really neat. I like that they did both of them, and this is a Surrey as well.
Moving on to the Best Illuminated Award is Zippy.
So neat. And I mean, I really honestly love this setup. Talk about detail inside. Yeah, they added a ship's wheel.
So the judges
They did such a great job. I love it. Oh, I know you have Mike Reynolds.
Island Best.
They did a great job. They did a
Island
great
Best.
job. And you can see all the award winners on top
Best Company is
now.
Wildwood PD, The Grinch, L's Choices, Writer's Auto.
Everyone did such a great job this year.
Santa's Choice is American Legion.
And I mentioned before that they have rides here. Some of them are open. Other ones, like the slide, is like it's way too cold and windy. But let me show you around. You got the rides going on, and during this event, the rides are free for the kids. That girl says she can't fit on the ride. I can't fit on that ride. Joel, can I go on? I don't think. If I could fit. You got a little fun house over here on this side. And then there actually are people trying to get on the other slide. This slide is not that one, it's the big one all the way over there. And during this event, it's all free for everyone. Yeah, this slide's not open. Looks like they are trying to open it. Maybe they're putting the railings on. But, and then we've got a couple other places to go buy some awesome things. Across the street, also got Guppy open and Maggie's. What a fun event. Guys, they're getting ready to light the tree. We're kind of far. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer.
Kids here have
Here's
been
the
good
tree.
this year, and if the Grinch hasn't pulled the plug on the tree, then when we hit Merry Christmas, because you got to say Merry Christmas after the countdown, the tree should
right.
light. So let's start with 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!
Grinch,
Oh!
what did you do? All right, let's try it one more time. We'll just start at 3 though. Let's try it one more time. Ready? 3.
3, 2, 1.
Merry
Christmas! Yay! And one very cool new thing for this year is that they're doing a drone Christmas show with a Ferris wheel. So we're standing here. Joel, what is it? Is it like below freezing? Is it not? So hopefully, we could probably run down Scavenger. Maybe we'll give it a view there. You want to check that out from over there, or no? Just try from. All right, let's put the camera around. Hopefully, we get to see the drones. I don't see anything yet. Guys, how awesome was that? I didn't expect for the drone show to be that cool. I don't think I've ever seen a Christmas drone show before. They're the same guys that do the ones during the summertime. If you remember that Elvis and all that cool stuff. And so you can see it's actually starting to come down. It looks really strange up there. It's becoming, it looks like a present and then coming back down to the beach. They actually launch it right on the beach. And they synced it up to the music that was here in the plaza. Anyway, so there you guys go. It's officially Christmas in the Wildwoods. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it in your home where it's nice and warm, because it's currently 29 degrees out, and that's without the wind chill. With the wind chill, they said it's 26. So I'm gonna go, I'm pretty sure my hands got frostbite. So make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, you give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, stay safe, and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you on the beach, which I'm not gonna lie to you, I am not going to the beach. I'll see you later, bye.